this your color, you want stain us?
This color is. It's not the buy for market.
You want stain us?
Black charcoal. This
guy.
Hello, Manu. I know me. You
won't get problem. This man won't get problem. I watch now. You won't get problem.
My guy.
He reached my side. I
I
say you forgive me this loud. Man loud. How this loud is for your head?
They play. As I like this, now anybody will worry me. Once I call the promising and money, now blocking master.
Me, I don't see many people when take this thing. They come crazy.
I'm gonna tell you, if you take
I
this
like
thing,
my
you know
mental health well.
You know gonna reason your village people again.
You sure say if I take this thing, I don't go wrong enter
God,
market?
kiss say yeah, I didn't know.
I dey imagine something. Let's assume say as I just dey pass now.
Yeah.
I go just see 10 million naira. Once I Ghana must go.
In a law.
Baba for good o.
It can't happen now.
Baba forget. If it happen.
Forget you do this.
I work for you. If I see am like
How many
this,
times don't you say
if I see am like this,
wrong?
I go just come out. I go buy Benz. If I see that Ghana must go, ah.
Do this one. Then you only do one respect. We don't come up with respect. But you know, no, so they fuck at you.
Baba, you know people wey sit down for here. Why you go just come enter people's house?
German wants sit down.
With this your color, you want stain us?
This color is. It's not the buy for market.
You want stain us?
Black charcoal.
This guy. You don't fuck up.
Yeah, better liar this company.
Yeah, forget to not give that guy loud. You supposed flog her first, and you don't fuck up too.
I suppose they don't like this fucking.
Now you dey supply condom.
Follow more patient. The best smoke any you give them. Let their eyes see what you see. If a man no wow, you forget na.
You could be ready with a good foundation. Early and the better. In the nearest future, you will be one of the
This man, I'm lying inside. My God. Money I go spend for this month, I don't care. Baba, I go sell my papa land, take you this paper, no my papa keep for me. Me and this day for now, this landlord not tired to the shit. One day you go shit block. One day you go shit block.
Landlord, you can see. Landlord.
I be don't repent.
You shall be giving up.
I be don't repent.
To kill a man. Come here, sir. No, open man.
You chop money.
Because of this guy, I go join